Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So for this one, we have a minus b. So we want to create about a square minus b square. We need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have 22x plus h minus 22x, because we just transform this one into this one. 22x minus 22x we cancel. H divided by h we cancel. Now we put number 0 cone here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.